I just plugged in my Codex and opened Codespace, and I got this pop-up message. Your Codex firmware version is out of date, and I need to upgrade. Occasionally, the folks at Furia Labs will provide firmware updates to fix a bug or add a new feature. It doesn't happen very often, but it looks like I need to update now. I'll click the link here to leave Codespace and go to the Furia Labs upgrade page. Codespace brought us here automatically, but you can put this address in the browser anytime if you want to visit the upgrade site. If you do come here manually, be sure to close any Codespace tabs you might have open. You don't want Codespace and the updater both trying to talk to your device at the same time. So close any Codespace tabs. I don't have any. I have my Codex plugged in. That's the device I want to upgrade. I'll click the upgrade button underneath Codex. And this brings up a wizard with several steps that will guide me through the upgrade process. Now, a quick note to Windows users. If you're on a Windows machine, and I am, you'll need to install a Windows driver to let the updater talk to the hardware. If you're on a Chromebook or a Mac, you don't have to worry about this. And if you've already installed the driver once, you don't have to do it again. I've already done it. If this is your first time updating one of your products, then click on this link and follow the instructions to install the driver. And we have another video that will walk you through that installation. Step 1, connect the USB cable. My USB cable is connected. I'll click Next to move to the next step. I've been through this before, and I know the next few steps put the Codex in a special mode that lets us upgrade it. It requires pressing a couple of buttons at the same time. I'm going to peek ahead at the instructions to refresh my memory. I'm not going to do anything yet. Just look at the instructions. You can go backwards and forwards through the instructions anytime. So press and hold the U button, and then press and release the reset button, and then I can release the U button. Okay, let's give that a try. I'm going to put my finger under here for support and use my thumb to press and hold down the U button. Alright, I'm holding it down. Next step is to hit the reset button. And here's the reset button under the front edge of the Codex. I have several fingers to choose from. I'll click the reset and release it. And now I can release the U button. On to the next step. Click the next button. And this is the final step. Just click the connect button here. Yes, I'm sure I want to upgrade the firmware and erase all files that are on the Codex. Now don't panic. This doesn't erase your files that you have in Codespace. Those are kept in the cloud. This is talking about any files you've pushed to your Codex manually, any custom audio files, for instance. Click Connect, and then pick ESP32 from the list. For me, it's just a list of one. So I'm going to click on it and hit Connect. And now I watch the dancing robot while the Codex is upgraded. Looks like I have a little over a minute to wait. Was that a minute? Wow, how time flies. It didn't seem like a minute. But the upgrade is complete, and I can close the upgrade page now. I'll click the reset button on the Codex again. And there's the welcome screen. My Codex is good to go. And that's how you upgrade a Codex.